At the Fann State Veterans Home in Huntsville today, the Way 31I team worked to learn more about what's going on inside. We discovered new information after our story last night when a family told us their loved one tested positive for the virus before passing away at Fann. Now, the state won't confirm any deaths, but admits more than 24 active cases at the home. Way 31's Sydney Martin is live outside the Veterans Home after talking to an employee about what it is like inside.
Dan, shortly after my story aired last night, I was contacted by a Fann employee who told me the number of people dying and what's going on inside of this home is far different than what the state is telling us. Now, the person provided me with 2 forms of proof of employment here, but they wanted to stay anonymous out of fear that they could lose their job.
It is spreading throughout the building like water running off the roof in a heavy rain, like a wildfire.
An employee at Fann Veterans Home told me the reality is very different than what the state reports. This person wants families and the community to know the truth.
My understanding, there's been 2 deaths of employees and 6 residents.
The Alabama Department of Veterans Affairs office said there were 0 confirmed coronavirus deaths at the home, but Fann would not report a death until it's confirmed by the Alabama Department of Public Health. That process could take more than 2 weeks from the time the death was reported. The employee also claimed Fann is ignoring CDC guidelines and Alabama's Department of Public Health regulations.
The employee tested positive. She had worked with a few other employees. They got tested, but they were still working.
The staff member explained the quarantine area is the only way to reach some of the residents in the home, raising concerns about exposure.
And the people that are not on the quarantine area have to walk through there with no other choice. There should be an alternate route.
The employee shared this message to the state's Veterans Affairs office.
It's just awful. Those people are somebody's husband, wife, mother, father, grandfather. Why lie to the people? Be honest and tell them the truth.
Now, I reached out to the state VA around 11:30 this morning and then again around 3 o'clock. A little bit more than an hour later at 4 o'clock, a spokesperson told me an outside group runs day-to-day operations of Fann and someone with HMR Veteran Services would answer my questions. I haven't heard back yet from that company. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, Way 31 News.